Oh, hi, you must be here to make a plushie. Did you know that plushies are plushie? That's a plushie of Meatlantern. Hi, I'm Dusk, and whether it's your first or 27th time here, I'll take you through all the steps to make a plushie. Based on the amount of time it took to make this one, I'm expecting this one to be a lot shorter than my other tutorials. You can probably tell if it is or not before you clicked on the video, but don't be ashamed if it ends up wonky, because that's just kind of how it goes with plushies. First video of 2026. Hopefully it gets better. Hopefully I can grow my channel more, make you guys more plushies, fulfill more like what y'all want. That isn't just like too similar to something I've already done. Like, I have like some requirements for a plushie, like it has to be different enough from something I've already done before. If it's just like a face difference or color difference, I'm not doing that. Like, if it uses different pieces than others, then yeah, I'll do that. Anyway, recommend watching all the way through. Shouldn't be too rough. And first thing you're going to want to do is go to the description, grab the pattern, and print it out. Should be 2 links. One of them will be to all my patterns, and also, I got something coming soon. You might have seen my community post about it. But anyway, now let's actually get started with the tutorial. So to start, after you've got it printed out, you're going to want to cut out the pattern pieces. Only 1 page this time, which is a lot less than usual. Actually, usually it's 2 or 3. Still, less than usual. It's just 1 this time. And then you're going to want to start cutting out pieces. 2 body pieces in white, 1 bottom piece in white, 1 little stem piece in white, 2 flower pieces in white, 1 bulb piece in green, 2 eye pieces in black, 2 teeth pieces in white, or you could do more if you want, or none. And 2 mouth pieces in red, or you could do none. That works too. Yeah. Alright, so you're going to, once you got all the fabric ready, you're going to want to start by attaching the teeth. Attach 1 tooth here, like on one side of the mouth. Do the same for the other, try to make it like a mirror. I misshapen one, so it's not going to look the best. Now attach the mouth to one end of a body panel. Yeah. Now use the other one as like a bit of a mirror. And now attach an eye. Attach the other eye. Hopefully the eyes and the mouthpieces line up with each other. Like, the eyes shouldn't be on the edge though. They should be on the sides, like near the edge, just not on the edge. Now attach both sides together. Do not go over the long flat part. Yeah, don't go over there. Now start attaching the bottom. Start near the back of the body where the mouth isn't, and go most of the way around. Leave a gap, like big enough for what comes next. Now invert through the hole once you've made it there. Now stuff it. I hope you have enough stuffing. Yeah. And now close the hole back up. Hopefully yours is not as big as mine. Yeah. And now to start on the flower. First you're going to want to take the stem and fold it in half and then go alongside the long edge. And then, to make the flower itself, you're going to first attach like a little bulb to the center of 1 flower piece. Now attach the second flower piece. It should be right underneath the first one, like you can still see the bulb, and rotate it a bit so that you can see the petals around it, like an actual flower with multiple layers of petals. And now attach the little flower to the stem. Like, one end, I'm sorry about how bad the camera angles, the camera view has been. I can't really see the camera well while I'm recording with how I do this, and it's a big table, so yeah, that's unfortunate, but like attach the flower to the end anyway. One end, either one works. It'll probably flop around either way. And now attach the other to the stem as well. Now attach the body to the stem as well. Yeah, I had a really bad camera angle at this one. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, like, just attach it to, like, the front of the face, like, in between the eyes. And, this one was a lot shorter than expected, as I thought it would be. I'm still in editing, but thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Or something, but if you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, hype the video, hit the bell maybe, I don't know. Tired, really tired right now. But anyway, if you have any suggestions for potential plushies, leave it down below. I hope to do more of those this year, and hope to grow the channel more. If you got any Project Moon plushie ideas, especially, like, so much cool stuff in Project Moon, I want to make sure I get the stuff people actually want, while also doing a bit of my own thing. But anyway, I usually have my videos end off with a hint. So, what would be a good hint for the next video? Dream. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye. Yeah, I'm so excited for this year. Yeah, bye.